Hi, I'm going to show you how to properly clean your InstaCuppa electric kettle. Let's get started. Here I've got two multi-kettles from InstaCuppa. One has non-stick interior and the other one has stainless steel interior. Do not forget to unplug the kettles before starting to clean. The first one is the non-stick one. You need to be careful while cleaning the inside of this electric kettle. Do not use any harsh or abrasive scrubber, instead use a soft sponge. First step is to rinse the kettle with some water, keeping in mind that the water should not get to the outer part of the kettle. Gently clean the interior with sponge and dishwashing liquid and rinse 2 to 3 times. Wipe the cloth to not get any water stains on the inside, and you can wipe the exterior as well. Here's the InstaCuppa multi-kettle with stainless steel interior. Unlike the non-stick one, you can use a steel scrubber for this one. However, you need to use a gentle scrubbing action. After using the kettle for cooking, rinse it with water. Now add baking soda. Baking soda will ensure that you do not scratch the steel interior. However, you can use dishwashing liquid and sponge to clean your stainless steel electric kettle. Wipe the kettle as shown. The remaining accessories can be washed like regular utensils with some dishwashing liquid and sponge.